Finally, I'm going to show a little bit on how to collaborate with the Google Doc. This is a great advantage over many other word processors, and it takes advantage of the fact that Google is a web-based program. Click on the blue share icon and immediately a window will open up. In that window, you'll see a blue highlighted link, and that is the link of your document. You can copy and paste that link, or you can do a one-click share to Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter. Below the cursor, there's a change button, which allows you to change who can view your document. I'm going to click on that and show you the different options. If you select public, anyone can read it, and it'll probably be findable via search engine. If you select private, if you select anyone with a link, then anyone you send a link to or sees your link on your Facebook or Twitter will be able to access it. And if you select private, only those people who you agree to add to your list will be allowed to view the document, or only yourself if you add no one else. So I'm going to select private and click. And as you can see, I have no one else added. If I wanted to add people, I would go to the bottom of the current window and enter in the name or email address, preferably the email address of whomever you want to share the doc with, and they'll be able to view it also. If you notice to the right of that, it's default set on can edit, which means that in addition to viewing the doc, they'll be able to edit the doc. There are also a couple of little options where you can send a copy to yourself or paste a copy of the file into an email if you can't receive attachments. There I just clicked on the additional message window, which allows you to type little notes to yourself or make any extra comments that the buttons don't address. Okay, so now I'm going to share and save, and now I have another email address or another person that can view the doc. At this point, I'm just going to go back and click on anyone with a link, because I think this makes more sense for if you're sharing with a bunch of people, or with people who you may not have their information, and who got your link off of a web page or Facebook page. As you can see, you can determine levels of collaboration as well. You can choose can view, can comment, or can edit. Depending on which level you choose, the viewers will be able to do different things. If you choose can view, they'll simply be able to view. If you choose can comment, with the comments dialog, they'll be able to send comments to you. Or if you choose can edit, they'll be able to edit the file or paper correctly. Now, the share features are good ones to know, and it's good to familiarize yourself with the window, because depending on the sensitivity of your work, you may want to ensure that the information remains private. Similarly, if you have friends sharing it, wanting to read it, and it's set to private, they won't be able to. As you can see there, I just clicked on the comments box, and that opens up a window which is similar to a chat window, which allows anyone who is viewing the doc to comment on it, and they can see your comments and you can see their comments. That pretty much is it for collaboration, and it's also pretty much it for the module. Google has a lot of great features. I advise you to check it out yourself. Use the help, use the forums, or simply Google any problems you may have, and a host of answers will come up. I hope you find this module useful, and have a great day.